So this is US dollar CAD analysis for Friday the 7th of September. Now let's just have a look on prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we did mention that we were consolidating around this 3188 here on the US dollar CAD. What we did see was a break of that 3188 in towards the 32s. Didn't quite get towards the 3250s or anything. Didn't get towards that 3254. What we instead saw was a price come back down for a retest of that 3188. Pretty strong break of 3188, brief pullback before continuation down towards that 3111. Came down for a near perfect test of the 3111, had a pullback, and we're going to a bit more of a consolidation. So we may just see a further breakdown, test at 3111. We'll see whether it does hold for support. If it does hold for support, but then look for price head up towards that 3188, successful break from which possibly looking for a move towards that 3254. If however we do break down from 3111, the very next level of note is in around 3069. We should also mention around at 3069 we do have daily confluence of a 200 and 400 period moving average. It does increase likelihood of bullish bounce at that level, but if we do fail to hold support there, the very next level of note here to the downside, move down towards this 130, which I expect to be the far end of the range. Can't anticipate prices moving down beyond the 130 down towards our 129.44 here on the US dollar CAD. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing, get the scaling here correct. So on this daily chart, as we can see, we've had a rally through that 3188, weren't able to hold it as indicated by the wick. Had a pretty strong bearish close, closing near our lows after rejecting higher prices. We've seen a bit of follow through so far today. Brief rally from 3111, so we could see further pullback here, possibly down towards that 3069 here on the US dollar CAD. Overall, as you can see, the structure was prior bullish, so still remains a possibility of finding support and having that continuation to the upside here on the US dollar CAD, possibly up towards levels of notes beyond the 3254. Of course, from a daily chart perspective, is that 133 and that 133.83 are two prior highs, especially after navigating that 3188. Those are levels that we are looking at from a daily chart perspective. If we do see that bullish buy side momentum continuation, levels to the downside, we've mentioned the ones that we are looking at, which are likely to come into focus here on the US dollar CAD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.